Alright, so welcome YouTube. Today I'm going to be reviewing Calypso Waterfall Rush Lemonade. As you guys see here now, on the label it looks like there's raspberry, blueberry, and pineapple flavoring along with lemon, of course. So either way, let's get into it now. Alright, so overall, I want to say like the blueberry and pineapple are the dominant flavors in it, with the blueberry being slightly more dominant. But either way, I thought it tasted great and I enjoyed it a lot. I would give this a 10 out of 10 for the rating. It's definitely my one of my top two flavors that I've had. But other than that, I enjoyed it, as I'm sure you guys can tell. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.